question 13 is 7 marks. Let's do it. The question gave us some table and some frequencies here. So the first question says complete the frequency table. You can pause the video and try to complete it. So I'll do it here so that we don't need to go up and down on the screen. So this part here will have the cumulative frequency. So how to do the cumulative frequency is you first write the first number. The 7, I'll just copy it here. And then we add these. 7 plus 17 is 24, isn't it? And then we add these. 24 plus 18, that's 42. And then 42 plus 14, that gives you 56. Then add 56 plus 10, 66. And 66 plus 4 is 70. If you don't get the total number here, it's wrong. But now, since we got 70, we should say, good job for us, we did it. Now, the second part says, on the grid opposite, draw a cumulative frequency graph. That's very good. That's a nice question. Let's draw the graph. We will need the cumulative frequency. We need this part here. So from 0 to 10, it's 7. From 10 to 20 is 24. Let's do it. 0 to 10, it's 7. Now, this is 7 here, I think. So this is 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. So this is it. This is the first point. Let's just leave it like that. The second number was what? 24 and then 42. So from 10 to 20 is 24. 24 is here. And from 20 to 30 is 42. 42 is here. And then 56, 66, 70. 56 is, this is 50. So this is 55. So this is 56. And what was the next number? I forgot. 56, 66, 70. So this is 60. So this is 65. So this is 66. And finally, 70. 70 is up here. That's very good. Now let's erase these. We don't need these. Now, before I draw it, have you noticed the first class starts from 0 to 10, and we just did 7 on the 10, so you don't do it on the 0. Some students, they just do it here. When it's 0 to 10, it's 7, they just do 7 here. Gosh, no, don't do that, please, okay? You will lose marks. So if it says 0 to 10, it's 7, so you do it on the upper of the class. Now, how do we draw it? Many students use a ruler. Please don't. The cumulative frequency, it's better to be on hand. So just to connect this, connect this, connect this, this, and then connect it there. It looks nice. Do you like it? Alright, so this is the part of drawing the cumulative frequency. We did it. Now the question says, find an estimate for the interquartile range. The interquartile is the upper quartile, Q3, minus the lower quartile, which is Q1. So how do you find the lower quartile first? It's just from the graph. The lower quartile, Q1, is the total divided by 4. So it's 70 divided by 4, which is, I think, 17.5, isn't it? Yes, because 70 divided by 2 is 35, divided by 2 is 17.5. Now look, where is 17.5? This is 10, that's 15, 16, 17.5 is here. Where you cross the line, go down. It's on this line. So if this is 10, that's 15, 16, 17. So Q1 is 17. Now how do you find Q3? Q3 is Q1 times 3. So it's going to be 17, the position I mean. So not this 17, so the position of it. 17.5 times 3. So it's 52.5. You can also do 3 over 4 times the total, which is 70. If you do 3 over 4 times 70, it gives you 52.5. Now let's look at this 52.5. All right, where are you? This is 50, 51, 52.5 is in the middle here, right? So this point specifically. Then we go down from there until we cross the x-axis. So let's go down here. I think it's this line. Just let's follow the line. It's this line, right? Yep, it's this line. Yes, we got it. So this is 35 here, 36, 37. So Q3 is 37. Good job. Now we got Q1, which is I think 17, and Q3 is 37. So Q3 minus Q1 is 20. We got that. The good thing is, in the mark scheme, they will give ranges for students. So that's why I made the mark scheme ready, so that you see the ranges. So that's question 13. Let's go to question 13. I just want to show you the mark scheme. So question 13, here, you see the range. They said anything from 18 to 22. That's it. So the drawing should not be on a ruler, please. Try to use your hand. It's not wrong, but it's the correct way is a hand. And the other thing is, you will have ranges. Try to make your work as accurate as you can. Now the last part says, use the graph to find an estimate for the number of teachers who travel more than 46 kilometers. Let's do this question. So they gave us the distance, 46 kilometers. Let's look at it. This is 40, this is 50, this is 45 in the middle, this 45, 46, this is it here, right? It's just this line. Let's go up until we cross the graph. All right, so it's this point here. I made it. Now, you will then go there. So it's this point. Now, travel more is just this number. Now, this is 61, 62, 63. Up to 70, that means it's 7 up here. And that's the answer. So the number of teachers who travel more than 46 is 7. And this is also going to give you ranges. Let me just show you the ranges. So they said anything 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, or 9. That's why it's always better to make your drawing accurate. Let me just show you a small thing here. I said, do the drawing by hand. What if someone used a ruler and you got the line to go somewhere here? Or if you use your hand and it was very bad and it come here. Now this will give you will cross here, right? If you cross here, this is going to be 60. That means this number is 10 and it's out of the range. Did you get me? I want you to get the full mark. So what you do, try to make your working neat. Try not to make a very strange line, like some kids just go like that. That doesn't work. Do you get me? Now we got the full mark. Let's go to the next question. Question 14.